This webinar has been put together to help you use your FAPAS account as well as searching the website. Welcome to the FAPAS homepage. Our current and new programs are available for download. FAPAS provide 3 different types of materials to customers: proficiency tests, quality control materials, and reference materials. When you navigate to these pages, there will be a description of how each type of material might be used. For example, if you select the tab for Proficiency Tests or PTs, this will take you through to the page displaying all PTs available for ordering. By default, the PTs will be displayed by their item code in list view, but there are other ways to help you find the tests you need. You can use the filter by matrix on the left, which will then display the tests having similar matrices. Or you can switch to grid view. This displays the tests by their analyte groupings. You can also use the search box and enter keywords about the type of test you need. Once you have selected your tests, you can simply add the items to your basket, and when you are finished shopping, please select your basket icon. Once you have everything in your basket you need, you can proceed to check out. You will then be asked to log into your account. Your company may already be registered for a FAPAS account. However, this account may have been opened by another contact at your company. If this is the case, to obtain your own set of details, please select this link. We can then locate the account and grant you access. If your company is a brand new customer to FAPAS, you can select the register button to complete our registration form with your details. Once you have registered, you will receive a set of login details via email for you to access your secure FAPAS account. If you've forgotten your password, you can reset using this link. If you're unsure of your user ID, please contact FAPAS and we can help. Once you log into FAPAS, you will have 4 tiles from which you manage your account. From here you can review your orders, your submitted results, your reports, and you can also chart your test results. We also have a quick survey that can be completed to help provide FAPAS with feedback about your custom. By selecting orders, you will be able to view all historical order information for your company. You can also check the status of current orders too. Invoiced orders have been placed and confirmed with FAPAS, whereas quotations have yet to be confirmed. You can select an order or quotation to see its detail. For example, this order is placed at quotation status. If you wish to confirm the order, you can proceed or modify by clicking here and going to the checkout. This order is placed at invoiced. For invoiced orders, you can quickly order the same tests again from our new program. You can do this by using our easy reorder function. Just click on the Find Equivalent Test button. You can now select the tick boxes for any tests you would like to reorder and add them to your basket before proceeding to checkout. Back in the My Account area, let's take a look at the results section. You can use the drop-down list to filter for any tests that you will be taking part in. Here we have a list of future tests for this company. Or you can select the open tests that are in progress for your company, i.e. those tests that have already started and are awaiting results submission. Here you will be able to download the test instructions and track your shipment once your materials are dispatched. The assigned delivery contact for a test will receive all notifications related to the dispatch of the material. If you filtered on closed tests, you can review the tests you have participated in previously. Here you can view your submitted results and view the reports for the tests. You can also download your certificate of participation. Can I do that one again? Sorry. If you filtered on closed tests, you can review the tests you have participated in previously. Here you can view your submitted results and view the reports for the tests. You can also download your certificate of participation, which will show your lab number for the report. Back in the My Account area, let's take a look at the Reports section. If you've received an email to let you know that a new report has been published by FAPAS, this is where you can also access the report by using the Download button. Here you can view your certificate of participation by clicking on the lab number. For any further assistance, please contact FAPAS on the following details.